In this post, we would like to explain to you about starting the electric motor in the left-hand, right-hand manner. Look, we draw this power circuit and common circuit. The power circuit has changed compared to the previous state, and we have to use the two conductors, left-hand conductor and right-hand conductor, to make a three-phase motor turn left and right. We have to change the place of the two phases. We use this conductor to change the phases. For this reason, we want to replace L1 and L3. We also use it on the power circuit. At the top, we connected L1 to L1, and at the bottom, we connected L1 to L3. When this contact is activated, the position of L1 and L3 will change and turns the engine in reverse. Uh, that is, if it is a left hand, it changes the right hand and vice versa. Here, we didn't use B-metal and instead use load control. The B-metal is located here and we see the three wires through in grooves. In the common circuit, you can see that is a common connect from the fuse to the control fuse and then to the load control and to the 11 stop case. Here there are two branches that will be assembled vertically when you want to assemble the circuit. First, the right hand start switch the connection, that is the connection to the NC conductor of the left hand conductor and then to the coil of the right hand conductor. 13 and 14 conductors are parallel with the 13 and 14 started to work in parallel mode. This is the same left hand mode. We connect the left hand starter to the right hand NC conductor, which is located here. This normally close, this is the first conductor, and when we connect it to the left hand conductor coil, we are testing now. If we hit the right hand starter, the first conductor will be activated and the second motor does not activate. We have to stop the motor, then activate the next conductor. First, the previous mode should be stopped, then the new mode should be started. In order to start the engine in the left hand direction, the engine must stop completely and then start. The assemble element is a left-handed and right-handed circuit. If you want to check it one by one, we connect the 15 phase control from the fuse. After 18 phase control, we connect a load uh, to C. Here we connected. Here we connected to C load control. After normally open, we contact the load control to 11 stop case. Here we connect to pin 11. After 12 stops, we connected 13 left and right case. Then we connected 14 right-handed switches to 11 left-handed contactors. Uh, After 12 left-handed conductors, we connected right-handed conductors to A1 and we connected A2 to neutral. We didn't. We did the same for the left-handed mode. From 13 left-handed starter, we connected 11 right-handed conductors. Here, after 12 right-handed conductors, we connected the left-handed conductors coil to A1 and A2 to 0 or neutral. If we check one more time, the engine must be fully in motion to be able to change from left hand to right hand and vice versa. It is completely stopped. Then again, in both cases, the engine must stop completely to be able to restart. That is, it must have a complete stop. The circuit was a permanent mode. If we want to left-right rotation to momentary, we two parts from the circuit. If you remove these two parts, if you press the two buttons together, both contactor will be placed in the circuit and short circuit will occur between the two phases. But if there is it will not allow another connection and only one connected will be activated. In this post or in this video, I will explain to you about a quick step. It means that the wire the circuit in such a way that it it doesn't wait for the complete slop of the engine and quickly change from the left hand and right hand and vice versa. If you have a question, ask in the comments. Thank you.